Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address his party's rally in Gaya in poll-bound state Bihar. Security has been beefed up for the mega rally. Intensive checking of incoming and outgoing vehicles is being conducted at various checkpoints. This will be PM's second rally in less than a month in Bihar. Election Commission has said that the poll process for the forthcoming assembly elections in Bihar will be completed before 29th November. Chief Election Commissioner Dr. Naseem Zaidi said the Commission will leave no stone unturned to ensure free and fair polls in Bihar. BJP reiterated that Nagaland Chief Minister has been continuously in dialogue with PM Modi ahead of the Naga Accord reached with the NSCN. Refuting the charges, Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said Nagaland's Chief Minister had been in constant touch with Prime Minister Modi on the Naga Peace Pact, and he, along with an all-party delegation, had met the PM 2 days before the accord was signed. In Jammu and Kashmir, police and the National Investigation Agency sleuths have arrested 4 accomplices of the Pakistani militant Naved alias Usman Khan, who was captured after an attack on BSF in Udhampur on 5th August. Sources confirmed that the arrests were made from South Kashmir's Pulwama district. President Pranab Mukherjee has appointed senior BJP leader Ramnath Kovind as Governor of Bihar. 69-year-old Kovind, who had been a 2-time Rajya Sabha member between 1994 and 2006, hails from Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Educationist Acharya Dev Brat was appointed as Governor of Himachal Pradesh. 56-year-old Brat has been working as principal in the Gurukul since 1981. The centre and Delhi government have agreed to set up a special purpose vehicle for the cleaning up and rejuvenation of the Yamuna. Water Resources Minister Uma Bharti held a meeting with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and took a decision in this regard. The Coast Guard has said that the human remains recovered from the Dornier aircraft salvaged last month were that of the 3 crew members. Coast Guard said the human remains had been handed over to Tamil Nadu Forensic Laboratory for a DNA test, and blood samples of the skin of the 3 deceased personnel were obtained matching the identity. The lab has confirmed that the recovered remains belong to the crew members. The total number of FIRs in Vyapam scam by CBI has crossed 50, with 5 new cases registered by the agency in connection with alleged irregularities in the conduct of the Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board exams. With registration of 5 new cases, the total FIRs have touched 53. The probe was handed over to CBI by the Supreme Court. A day after the release of 16 Pakistan nationals by India, 9 Pak fishermen have been repatriated via Atari Wagah joint checkpost on Saturday as well. They had inadvertently crossed over into Indian waters in Gujarat sector and were released after completing their sentence. At least 13 people are thought to have been killed, including 5 UN workers, in a hostage siege at a hotel in the central Malian town of Sever. Further, 4 UN workers survived by hiding in cupboards for almost 24 hours as the attack unfolded. The suspected Islamist gunmen had retreated to the hotel after attacking a nearby army base. The siege ended after government troops stormed the building early on Saturday. Mexico's fire volcano continued its summer of activity yesterday with 2 eruptions spewing smoke and ash into the sky in breathtaking images. The volcano has been exhibiting activity since 9th July. Over the last month, nearby villages have been blanketed with thick coats of ash, prompting evacuations. A Japanese artist used projection mapping technology to show an animation on a reconstructed cathedral in Nagasaki on the eve of the 70th anniversary of the bombing. Construction of the Urakami Cathedral was completed in 1925 by Japanese Christians who had withstood religious oppression. The brick Neo-Romanesque cathedral, however, was only 500 meters away from the hypocenter of the atomic bomb the US dropped on Nagasaki on 9th August 1945.